Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily sign up SaxoTrader.com account. To sign up for SaxoTrader, first of all launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptop and in the URL box type in SaxoTrader.com. Once you are done, search for SaxoTrader.com and you'll end up in the login screen. To create a new account, go to the Sign Up Now button at the top and then follow through the sign up process. Here, you'll need to go ahead and enter your first and middle names and then your last name. After you are done, head over to the next field and enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. Now, select your country or your region of residence, and once you are done, head over to the text boxes at the bottom, agree to the terms and services, and finally click on I'm not a robot and click on the continue button. On the next page, select your gender, date of birth, enter your phone number and click on continue. After following through the instructions, you'll then be able to complete your sign up. Go ahead and fill in all of the information, verify your identity, and you'll be able to create an account. So that is how you sign up for SaxoTrader. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.